Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we have to go to the more advanced settings at the left corner. And as you can see, by tapping on this button we get access to the camera settings, and we have to slide down to the useful features. And here we have the watermark. So by tapping on this button right here, we can easily turn on and turn off the camera watermark, and this is how it works. And now I'm going to take a picture to show you how the camera watermark of this device looks like. And we go to the preview here, and as you can see, Samsung triple camera shot with my Galaxy A60. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.